Why do we do open houses? Well, if it's agreeable to our seller, we like to do an open house on every single new listing right after it goes live. And here's why. Number one, it creates a sense of urgency. So if somebody wants to see the home, they know it's going to be well exposed to a number of buyers. They need to get up, they need to get out, they need to go see it. And if they're interested, it's probably a good idea to write an offer. We've even had situations where we'll get an offer on a Friday night before a Saturday open house that says, this must be accepted prior to the open house, because the buyer knows that it's likely going to get a lot of activity. The second reason we do it is it gets people into the home that wouldn't otherwise have gone to see the home, or maybe they're on the fence about beginning shopping for a home, so it gets them off the sidelines and into the game. One example, we recently closed on a home that we took a buyer to that had no interest in seeing that particular home from another open house. We said, well, this one's not for you. Let's go take a look at this one. Once they got in that home and they were able to experience it, it became something that haunted them, and they ultimately made an offer and purchased it. So some homes are the types of homes that are best experienced rather than just photographed or videoed. And in that case, open houses can actually help buyers that maybe wouldn't have considered that home consider the home. And reason number three, buyer leads. I'll never forget when I got in the business, one of my first sellers said, well, I don't want you to do an open house. You're only doing that because you want buyer leads. And the answer is yes, that is true. And over the years, because we do open house consistently, we get buyer leads for a lot of different types of properties. Oftentimes for the home that we're actually selling. So yes, that is one of the reasons that we do it. So to recap, the three main reasons that we do open houses when we go live: to create urgency, then number two, to get more people off the sidelines and into the home, and then number three, definitely buyer leads. So sometimes though, we do an open house after the home's been listed for a while. We usually try to time that with a price drop, so it drops back into people's searches, it gets them back out into the home. Or like this one tonight, we have associated this open house with an event. So we're making it special, we're inviting people that might not even be serious buyers at this time into a beautiful waterfront home to enjoy the view, enjoy Crooked Lake. We provide some wine and some beverages, some food, definitely some material. And you might ask, why would our seller want us to do this? Well, because again, if you come in and you experience a home and you love the gorgeous patio or the expansive view like we have in this home, then you're going to talk to your friends, you're going to think about it. We've even seen some people that weren't buyers dream and actually become buyers of a home at an event just like this one. So those are all the reasons that we do open houses. If you're thinking about selling, if you're thinking about buying, give us a call and we'll talk about how we can go to work for you.